back. Well, this week's Hometown Hero has created a space for people of all ages and backgrounds to tap into their creative potential. Nestled in the heart of downtown Delray Beach, right on the corner of Swinton Avenue, you will find the hub at Space of Mind. Inside this community center, there is a world of learning happening behind every door. You'll find everything from a science lab, an engineering workshop, to a digital media studio and a commercial teaching kitchen. It is all part of the Community Classroom Project, a vision Allie Kaufman brought to life many years ago.
Creativity is kind of the cure for stress.
Allie Kaufman and the team at Space of Mind started the Community Classroom Project in 2017 with the goal of giving all types of learners the atmosphere they need to succeed.
It's really important to me that we're able to reach more people and really expand the mission and make everybody aware that they can tap into their creative side and have more fun with learning.
Most recently, the nonprofit launched its Community Classroom Kitchen, a space where local chefs and culinary experts are able to connect with adults and kids who are eager to learn.
And our students get to learn, how to produce food, and not just the back end of the restaurant industry, but our culinary and restaurant workforce training also prepares students to work in front of the house and even adjacent professions like marketing and PR.
I get a group of kids every afternoon, middle school and high school, that come with me for an hour, and we do a variety of things. So they learn basic knife skills, they help me prepare food for different events.
On the menu today, homemade banana cream pie and whipped cream from scratch. Just one of many recipes Executive Chef Deb Dickinson is helping these future cooks master.
Hold your hand up. I love being able to share my knowledge. I love being able to see that light bulb go off over kids and adults' heads going, wow, I can make that, So just being able to do that and also share with them the importance of cooking from scratch and putting love in what you cook, because you can tell when there's love in what you cook.
Much like the love put into this kitchen, a personal mission for Allie, who grew up working in the restaurant industry.
It's a creative way to work with your body and your hands and your mind, and especially for today, we've got a lot of learners that don't really fall into the traditional school and learning model. The restaurant profession is a great way to tap into creativity and a lot of kinesthetic learning.
I'm so happy. I've got Allie joining me live on the couch this morning. And Allie, when we were shooting the story, you told me the kitchen was a labor of love. It took 4.5 years to come to life. But since it opened in April, it's been a really important addition to the Community Classroom Project.
It's totally been amazing. I would like to say worth waiting for, but it would have been great to have it earlier.
We focused in the piece on, the kids that were in there learning with Chef Deb. But there's a lot more that happens in the kitchen. Tell everyone, what else that you guys are offering.
Oh, well, we have workforce training in all of the different creative areas. We've got programs for adults who walk, they walk onto our campus and say they want to go here. And so we have adult programs in art and music and cooking as well. And lots coming down the road, like an Institute for Parents and Educators this summer. Just a lot of workforce training to help kids, tweens and teens discover their passion and turn that into a purposeful life.
Yeah, what were you telling me about a record label?
Yes, also
cool.
that.
Yeah, tell me, there's so much.
We have a student-run record label, Some Tunes, and they are learning how to support the writing, producing, mixing, mastering, and selling of creative music and covers, and anyone who has a song in them can come and work with our team of adults and kids who are learning the business. So yeah, it's really fun.
Yeah, it's amazing. I feel like, it's a hidden gem for anyone who doesn't realize it's there. But when you walk through those doors, you offer so much for everyone in the community who can really come and take advantage. And like you said, for all types of learners, I think that's really important.
Yeah, well, school is typically taught more verbally, and most learners these days, because we have busy brains, we need to learn kinesthetically and visually and auditory. So it's really helpful to have everything all in one. And when you have creativity in the mix, it just makes learning more fun.
And of course, none of this would be possible without the community support. And you have your big annual fundraiser coming up in January, Pub at the Hub. Tell us more of what we can expect.
Oh my God, it's definitely the party of the year. And I'm not just saying that, other people have said that too. But this year the theme is Back to Our Future. So it's all 80s. We've got a huge list of chefs from the area. We've got the Heavy Pets playing an 80s set. We have DJ Johnny Quest. We've got an amazing art show and sale curated by Sarah Wong, and just a huge party. It's going to be amazing.
Yeah, you're right. Matt said it earlier this morning. He said, no one throws a party like Space of Mind.
It's true. If we ever got out of the education business, we could definitely get into the event business.
So funny. All the proceeds benefit Community Classroom Project.
Yes.
You know, how important is this fundraiser for you to continue, you know, your mission all throughout the year?
It's really important, especially this year with the whole workforce training program in the restaurants launching formally. We raised about 1/3 of our budget for this in this one evening, so it's a pretty big deal. We've got an awesome sort of mystery raffle, which is super fun as well. So yeah, it's a big deal and it's a fun night.
Yeah, January 25th, you've got to come on out, see the space, have some fun. Where can people go to learn more?
You can go to the CCP website at yourccp.org.
Okay, great. Allie, thanks for being here.
Yeah.
All right, stick with us. We've got more ARC Florida after this.